Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and it's day 12 of May VC, which is the May Vlog Challenge. And we're mixing it up today, and we're gonna do a bit of a review of the latest documentary that's coming out called Life According to Ohad. And it's all about an animal activist who has lots of struggles with trying to fit in with his family life and his animal activism. And so we're going to watch the trailer and you'll be able to see our feedback and our reactions to it. And then we're also going to watch a little bit of the actual documentary as well, just to give you an insight into what you can expect. And we'll pop the link as well down below just so you guys can go online and buy it. It's only $4.99 to watch it and rent it online, so
super cheap.
Yeah.
I've seen this demo before.
Yeah. They're all live animals. Real animals. So many vegans, I think, would be able to relate to like family
I'm already
struggles.
gonna cry.
Jeez. God. So committed to the cause. Oh man.
So long.
Oh yeah, I remember seeing clips of that.
Yeah, same.
They're so dedicated. Like,
Yeah. Oh my god.
jeez. There's
Some of them are alive
there's so many that are alive. It's crazy.
in garbage bags.
Yeah, it's good they're all eating vegan food. I thought it was gonna be.
I could go one of those teas.
I could go that tiramisu.
It looks so good.
Alright, so we've just finished watching the documentary. We couldn't show you scenes from it because it's not free to air yet. It's up online. We'll put the link just down below for you guys to check out as well. It's only $4.99 to rent it, and it's definitely worth watching it. You know, there's a few things that aren't easy to watch in it, and there's a lot of sort of struggles that that Ohad is going through. But it really brings a lot of light to what's happening in this industry, and a lot of things that just people turn a blind eye to as well. So it's really worth checking out. Yeah.
Definitely. And even if you're vegan and you think you've seen it all before, it's still really worth watching because I'm sure you'll be able to relate to Ohad and the struggles he has with society and his family, just not understanding his standpoint and what he's really going through, knowing this information and not really being able to have his family understand him.
Yeah, and we've both been pretty fortunate with family and friends that they're accepting of our lifestyle, and it's, you know, it's not too confrontational and things like that, you know.
I mean, I don't think a lot of my friends and family truly get it. They definitely are quite supportive, and they'll make vegan food, or they'll make raw vegan food for Todd and I. They'll happily try stuff that we make them. They are quite supportive in that sense. I just don't think they, I guess, see it from our point of view. But we are very fortunate. They don't like tease us or mock us or anything like that, so.
Yeah, but there are a lot of people out there, and we see it online and in like Facebook groups and stuff all the time where people are struggling with these kind of things. So yeah, it's definitely worth checking out.
Definitely, yeah.
And if you do see it, let us know in the comments what you think. If you like the way it's put together, and sort of if you can relate to any of that stuff as well, you know, if you've had similar struggles, and what you thought about how it deals with it. So that's it for another day, guys. It's been a busy day, a long day, but we will see you guys again tomorrow for another video in the May Vlog Challenge.
And don't forget to keep eating those plants, stay hydrated, and love yourself. Peace.